In this video, we shall learn few types of polynomial. Let me start with constant polynomial. A polynomial of degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. Let me give you some examples. Suppose we have a polynomial px equals 3. This is a constant polynomial. And suppose we have a polynomial py is equals to 5. This is also a constant polynomial. Suppose we have a polynomial px is equals to 0. This is called zero polynomial, and this is very important. The degree of zero polynomial is not defined. The degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. Let me start the second type. This is linear polynomial. A polynomial with, or you can say a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Let me give you some example. Suppose we have a polynomial px is equals to 3x plus 2. This is a linear polynomial because the power of this variable x is 1. And we have another polynomial py is equals to 3y minus 5. This is also a linear polynomial, and a linear polynomial can be monomial and a binomial. You can see that monomial can be px is equals to 2x, or binomial you can say that p is equals to 3x plus 9. Here is two terms, so this is a binomial, and here is a single term, so this is a monomial. Now let me come to the third type. This is called quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Suppose we have a polynomial px equals to 3x square plus 6x plus 9 or plus 7. So this is the degree of this polynomial, and it is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial, and a quadratic polynomial can be monomial. This means of only one term, and binomial and trinomial also. You can see monomial. Suppose that px is equals to 3x squared. This is monomial. Or you can say px is equals to 3x square plus 9. This is binomial, and here is px is equals to 3x square plus 6x plus 3. So this is trinomial, because here are the three terms, here are the two terms, and here is only one term. Same as let me give you another type. This is cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Let me give you some examples. That is px equals to 3x cube plus 7x square plus 6x plus 3. This is the type of cubic polynomial. Here are some other type of polynomial, that is biquadratic polynomial. You can define it like this: a polynomial with degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. So these are the types of a polynomial up to class 10. Thank you.